Since today I was working on a JVC HRS9811, I figured, you know what, my HRS9911 has not worked for a while. And I figured maybe we will pop the top off it and see why it's not working. I already know why it's not working, but I'll show you guys why it's not working and why I took it out of service, just because I couldn't be bothered to fix it until today. And it's actually a pretty simple fix. Let's check it out. This time I have a JVC HRS9911. This is considered to be one of the better VCRs for archiving because, first of all, it's SVHS. It also has built-in time-based corrector. So it's a sought-after machine. This one's mine. I picked this one up for a song years ago. Well, a few years ago. And I use it once in a while when I have a Super VHS tape to digitize. But I don't rack up a lot of hours on it. I try to keep this one in good shape. But like everything else, well, it stopped working. And it's been sitting around for a while and haven't got around to fixing it yet. Let's pop the top off of it. Since it's my machine and it's one I use for archiving, I don't have screws in it because I have to take the top off to clean it on a regular basis. Let's see what happens when I try to load a tape. And don't go nowhere, it just shuts down. I have a flashing tape icon. We may have a slipping belt on here too. It's doing that on its own. I just turned the power back on and it's just going forward, but it's not doing anything. We may have a mode switch problem on this or a slipping belt. I may have a slipping belt for starters. The belt over here. I wonder if I can get this one out of here without too much trouble. Yeah, like that. Real simple. Let's see if I can find another belt that might fit this one. Okay, the original's there. I think that this one probably is going to be the closest match I've got to it. So I'm going to put these other ones aside and we'll try to fish this belt on without tearing everything apart. Let's see whether I can loop the belt around the back side of the pulley. Throw some more light on the subject. More light. We need much more light. Gotta see what I'm doing down here. It's not the easiest one to see. Okay, there's the belt. Get it around the pulley. Okay, oh, almost. Okay, I think I got it now. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I guess we'll find out pretty quick. I just have to turn it or get it around the bottom half of the pulley. There we go. Okay, I think the belt's in there now. Let's just plug it in and see whether it will eject the tape this time. No. It's slipping. Well, that part's not slipping, but it didn't load. That time it did. Is it going to play?
I present my evidence to the jury.
It's tracking up now. It looks like it's going to play. Oh, is that all that's wrong with it? Is a belt? Well, that's nice. See, no tilty drum on this one.
We will not know if the accused deserves to be freed or should be punished. If they cannot find the truth, what is their hope of justice?
I'll turn the TBC on and off and show you guys the opening credits of this movie so you can see the difference. Okay, I'm not going to tell you guys whether the TBC is on or off. We'll say that that's position number 1. Take a look around the lettering. And that's position number 2. Can you tell which one is on or off? There's position 2. And there's position 1. 2. 1. How about on this picture? Let me frame that a little better. Is the TBC on or off? How about now? I know there's some glitches on the tape. But is the time-based corrector on or off on this image? Can you tell on camera? That's position 1. And that's position 2. 1, 2. You guys think you can tell the difference? Tell me which one it is. Is 1 on or off, or is 2 on or off? Anyway, this machine, yeah, pretty good freeze frame. It didn't have the special effects like the other one. This one here we had search, double speed looks okay, search, it would go a lot faster in search than the other one. Of course, the slow motion's all digital, eh? ×1 in reverse. Yeah, it does look bad. ×2, ×5, I think. 7, 9, full speed. Back to play. Didn't have the dynamic drum. Don't want it. Dynamic drum was just too many things to go wrong. If you're looking for a good JVC machine for archiving, the 9911 is a good machine. But I still prefer my Sony. I still think the Sony has a better picture. The SLV R1000 has a better picture. I think it has better color processing. Here's another example. Can you guys tell me, is the time-based corrector on or off on this picture? And now is it on or off? Can you tell the difference? Anyway, I just figured I would show you guys my little JVC HRS9911 that I scored for a song. And a song, I mean literally, I got this for next to nothing. And the only thing I've had to do to it, I'm sure I've serviced it before. I don't know if I serviced it on camera before or not. I think I did the mode switch on it before. These are still original capacitors on here too. They've never been changed. But I had to service the belt now, and that was it. Just a belt that was getting a bit slippery. It's not even melting. It's just not in good shape. It's a bit slippery here. Anyway, there we go. That was a nice easy one. Well, I've got this one apart. I'm going to give the cam gear down here a little shot of lubricant, so you can get some lubricant into the cam itself. And we'll put some on the edge of the gear here, just so that it will get into the worm gear. Might as well do that while I've got it apart. And then I'm going to run some tapes through here and make sure that everything is still in good shape. Going to load the cassette mechanism down by hand and see if I can get more access to that cam gear to throw some more grease into it. Can I get to it from here? We'll give the guides a little bit of grease. And I'm going to let it run. And hopefully this will last me for a few more years. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.